we are going to understand the conversion system, right? Conversion of units. How we convert units, huh? Conversion of units. तो जब भी हम यूनिट को कन्वर्ट करते हैं, whenever we want to convert a unit, you should know two things. कितनी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होनी चाहिए, right? You should know the relation between the units.
Of two things.
And then you do a trick, which I will show you.
Trick.
You should know the relation and then trick.
So relation is the function, right?
Yep, it's not that function, but I will tell you. So if I say what is 150 centimeter in meter?
1.5 meter
Okay, how you get that?
divided by 10.
Why?
I mean, sorry, divided by
100.
Divided by 100.
Why you divide by 100?
1.5.
Because that's what.
So here you see, here you have got two things. One is centimeter, other is meter. The first thing we should know is what? Relation. What is the relation between meter and centimeter?
They're all how you measure distances.
Okay, so you should know how many. First you should know which one is big. Is it the centimeter unit is big or meter is big?
Meter.
Meter is big. So how many centimeters are required for 1 meter?
100.
So you know the relation now. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter.
I want to see the trick.
100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So this is what?
Relation.
This is called relation.
Well, let me see the trick.
Okay, I'm coming to the trick. Now coming to the trick is that whatever number you want to convert, you have to write it first, which is 150 centimeter. Now what you will do is, if you multiply the whole thing by 1, what is going to change?
Nothing.
If you multiply any number by 1, will it change anything?
No.
No. Now, this 1 is very important. This is the 1 which will change your unit. Now, you have to change this centimeter into meter, right? So, you have to find a number 1 from the relation, right? So, this is the step 1 that you come up with the relationship. Now, in a step 2, what you do is, whatever unit you want in the answer, you have to keep it on top, right? So you will say like this: 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. It means 100 centimeter divided by 1 meter equals to 1. Can I write like that?
Yes.
Mariam, is it understood? You know, because अभी क्रॉस करेंगे, यहाँ देखिए 1 मीटर इंटू 1 हो जाएगा, 100 सेंटीमीटर ये हो जाएगा. और यू कैन राइट 1 मीटर डिवाइडेड बाई 100 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स 1. ये भी तो कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते? क्रॉस कर दिए, ये 1 मीटर ऊपर हो गया, 100 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आ गया.
Okay.
That is also 1, right? Because दोनों तो सेम चीज है ना, तो डिवीजन क्या होगा? 1 ही आएगा. नाउ आपको आंसर में क्या चाहिए?
How much meter?
मीटर चाहिए, राइट? तो कौन से में मीटर ऊपर है? इस वाले 1 में मीटर ऊपर है या इस वाले 1 में मीटर ऊपर है? which number 1 has got meter or in numerator?
In numerator. Oh, the last one.
Second one, right? अभी आप इसको क्या करेंगे? You write 150 सेंटीमीटर टाइम्स, इसको लिखेंगे यहाँ, क्या लिखेंगे? देखिए यहाँ 1 मीटर डिवाइडेड बाई 100 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ देखिए बेटा मरियम, इज इट क्लियर? देखिए ये रिलेशन स्टेप 2 से आपने क्या निकाला? 1 की वैल्यू निकाल ली है ना. क्या निकला? 100 सेंटीमीटर बाई 1 मीटर इज ऑल्सो 1 एंड 1 मीटर बाई 100 सेंटीमीटर इज ऑल्सो 1, राइट? बट आपको क्या चाहिए आंसर में? मीटर चाहिए, राइट?
150 meters.
तो अब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? व्हाट इज गोना हैपन इज, देखिए सेंटीमीटर भी नीचे है, यहाँ भी सेंटीमीटर है. इट विल गेट क्रॉस आउट. देन व्हाट यू विल हैव इन द एंड?
150 meter divided by 100.
Which is समझ में आया? ना ये तो लेंथ है, तो which how many relations we should know?
How many relations? All of the ones we use in a normal life.
Yes, all of the one which is gonna come in your exam, like millimeter to meter, millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to meter.
Meter to millimeter to meter.
Yeah, so that is volume, है ना?
Oh, yeah.
So 1 centimeter equals how many millimeter?
1 millimeter. Yeah, 1 millimeter.
1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Is it right?
Yes.
Now 1 meter equals to
100 centimeters.
Is there any more relation in the length you should know?
Yes, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters.
See here, 10, 100, 1000. What is 10,000 meter called?
It's called that's 10 kilometers. Oh, you're trying to trick us.
Yeah, because it's all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is, wherever there is kilo, it is 1000 in length. But in computer science, in computer digits, a kilo is how much? 1024.
Why?
Why? Okay, this is an interesting question. There is something called.
Okay, wait, let's not get off topic. Let's continue.
Okay.
Let's
तो ये हो गया.
Yes.
अब जिस तरह से आपने लेंथ का रिलेशनशिप को मेमोराइज किया है, उसी तरह आपको एरिया के रिलेशनशिप को भी मेमोराइज करना होगा और वॉल्यूम के भी रिलेशनशिप को मेमोराइज करना पड़ेगा.
Why is volume so different?
Why is volume so different than what?
Well, like, how does 80 centimeter cubed equals to 80,000 millimeter cubed?
Oh yeah, that's where I'm gonna come now. Now, ये आपको समझ में आ गया? Now let's go to area. एरिया में जाते हैं. What is area? एरिया हम क्या करते हैं मैथमेटिक्स में?
It's the space inside of an 2D object.
एग्जैक्टली. हमें एक मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए इस बात को बताने के लिए कि कोई 2 डायमेंशनल स्पेस कितनी जगह ले रहा है, कितनी जगह ले रहा है.
Taking this much.
Now occupying a space is a property of matter,
I'm only taking
right?
this much.
Matter has got property like mass, they occupy a space.
I can take
Right?
more.
Yeah, you can take more space. Now, area में क्या चीज़ करते हैं हम basically? If this is A, this is B, then area is
A times B.
A times B, which is AB. But who came up with this idea? Why not A plus B? Why is A into B? Any answers?
Because like if we try to use something like as easy, simple as multiplication, if there's four sides on the length and four side, I mean if there's four dots going downwards and four dots going across, if you multiply them, it will become 16. So that will
He's
be how
talking
much?
about an array.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that's how
Arrays is just rows and columns.
it's just a faster way of counting how many space there is inside of
Yeah, you're right. So you have got 3 dot here and 3 dot here. So what will happen?
No, you don't do it like that.
You don't do it.
Like you do it like this.
It has to be connected.
Or else that's a grid, I think.
Then what we do?
Then we just multiply them together.
So 3. So you do. So firstly, you do 3 times 3, which is 9. So now if you do this, you'll see that it will be inside 9.
Oh yes. So here you can count the dots, but on this line you can't count the dots.
You can make
It's a combination of infinite dots, right? The way you did that, and you came to know that if you have to fill that space, then you need 9.
Appa,
So there is a multiplication operator which is used. So you use multiplication operator. That's why it is A into B.
there's 3 rows, 3 columns.
Now, यहाँ पे unit क्या हो जाती है area की? Now, if this is meter, this is meter. So the unit will become A meter times B meter, right? So A meter times B meter, which is AB times meter square. It is the unit, right?
Yeah.
So if you are going to convert meter square into centimeter square, use the same thing, relationship and then trick. Right now, you have to find the relation now. Now, if I say that 150 centimeter square, you have to convert this to meter
1.5 meters square.
first. Relation क्या है?
That 100 centimeter equals 1 meter.
Yeah.
But you have to do a square, right?
Yes.
It's a square.
Yes, you have
So you have to do.
times 2 for both. Times 2.
तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया?
Why are you doing squaring the whole thing?
Because we have to convert centimeter square, not centimeter.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know.
Lisa, obviously.
Because 1 into 1 is always 1,
Yeah.
right? So the relation is now this for area,
Yeah?
which is what? 10,000 centimeter square equals to 1 meter square.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Now we have to convert 150 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं? इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 1 से. Now this thing will lead to 2 conclusion. Conclusion number 1 will be 10,000 centimeter square divided by 1 meter square equals to 1. Other conclusion will be 1 meter square divided by 10,000 centimeter square equals to 1. Right? तो हमें किस में चेंज करना है?
Into meters.
Meter square. So which one we are going to pick? This one or this one?
The
This
first
one.
one.
ये अगर हम लेंगे तो हम we have to get rid of centimeter square, right? So we'll take this one. So what we'll do? 150 centimeter square
Okay.
times this one, which is 1 meter square divided by 10,000 centimeter square. Now, the fun part which I always like is crossing out.
Crossing out? No, don't cross it out.
So, centimeter square gone, right? So, what you are left with? 150 divided by 10,000 meter square. So, 150 centimeter square will be this much. Now, how you will solve this? I hope the maths was that easy. Zoop, 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 zoop. Now, see 3 is on top. So, 0 से 0 गया, 2, 5 और 1 and एक और है. तो this will become एक 0 से 0.5 पे आ गया, एक 0 से 1 पे आ गया, एक और 0 है तो वहाँ 0 देना पड़ेगा. तो 0, 1, 5.0 meter square.
Wait, how?
What happened to the 1? Oh
Which-
yeah, 1. 1 is on the...
Wait.
You are not getting this. So, this become 15 divided by 1000 meter square, which is actually 0.15 divided by 10. because देखिए एक 0 से यहाँ पे पॉइंट है ना, इधर आ गया, ठीक है, और दूसरे 0 से इधर आ गया, बच गया 10. अब नाउ एक और 0 है, तो दिस विल मूव अगेन, राइट?
Relation trick. How about if you add relation and trick?
That's what we did.
So,
This is relation and this is trick.
No, what if you add them together?
so in Fahad's question, it was...
We'll do first question now. Now you get the idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Why? Why don't you just make relation plus trick?
That's what we are doing, Isa. It's relation. See, this is
You
relation.
have to make it up like.
So if you want to trick someone, you should first build a relationship. Then you trick it.
Oh, I see.
No, you have to add them together, not like build it.
Isa तुमने किया ना?
You have to, Isa, you have to. Okay, नहीं करने तो भी मैथ्स देख रहा है. रहने
Wait,
दो.
no, Abba, you can't give excuses. He hasn't even done... He only did the one page. that
But he is
I
learning
did
this.
yet.
That's fine. Okay, Ifad, what is your question? Then he will start doing it. Okay, before I do question, first,
Isa.
if this was a volume,
What the hell is that?
it's some shape,
Trapezium.
some shape, right?
You
If
say
this,
you have to do this after this. I don't...
okay, if this is a volume, then you have to cube it, right? Because volume is what? Cube.
Yeah.
So 100 centimeter raised to the power
Come here.
3. Now his question.
Papa, if you don't tell him to write, I'm gonna give
थोड़ा
him,
पीछे जाओ.
I'm gonna give him 6 pages tomorrow.
ओके आप साथ साथ बेटा ये भी करते रहिए. आप यहाँ देखिए. अब वी विल डू दिस एंड फिनिश इट. आपने लिख लिया बेटा सारा, मरियम?
Yeah.
Do you like this trick?
Yeah.
Now what is that? Calculate the volume of the following solid.
No. It's the one. No.
Ah,
No. It's the third.
It's
The
this
third.
one. The second one.
so 80 centimeter cube is equivalent to, okay, what is that? 80 centimeter cube. So 3 choices are in millimeter and 1 is in meter cube, right? Now we can go with the method which I said, right? But answering multiple choice question is something which most of the time don't require you to calculate.
Yeah.
You can just guess it right. Okay,
Yeah.
so without doing it, let me guess it if I'm right or not. So centimeter cube, of course, if you convert into millimeter, the number has to be big, right? If you're going from centimeter to millimeter. And if you're going centimeter to meter, it's going to be a small. So we have to do two things. We have to convert into millimeter and then you have to convert it to meter as well. But meter is going to divide it by only 10, which sounds fishy, right? It can't be, because cube 10 times 10 times 10, at least 1000, right? So let's convert into millimeter. So first, find the relation. How you find the relation? What's the relation between centimeter and millimeter? So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter, right? Now we are talking what? Not length, not area, we are talking volume, right? So what we do? We do cube. So 1 centimeter cube equals to 10 times 10 times 10. How much, Isa?
What?
10 times 10 times 10.
1,000.
10,000.
It's 1,000.
1000. 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1000.
I get it. I thought you were saying about the different thing.
So this is the relation, right? This is the volumetric
I
relationship.
thought you was trying to
Now,
say
80 centimeter cube. Let's convert into millimeter first. So 80 centimeter cube multiply with 1. Now we are going to convert millimeter. तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को काटना है. So this will give you two conclusion. It is this is one. Second is
We use the second one.
Yeah.
Because
now 80 centimeter cube times 1000 millimeter cube divided by 1 centimeter cube. This here cut gaya, which is gonna be 80 and 1000 millimeter cube. This is the answer. What did you say? $800 millimeter cube.
I think he forgot that it was cubed and he just did it like the length way. 80 times 80 times 80.
Yeah. Fahad? So what did you learn? The baby steps. Baby steps never fail.
No, because it's a trick question, right? If you expect it to be just like 80 times 80 times 80. But then it...
not 80 times 80 times. What do you mean 80 times 80?
No. Because like, they want us to...
What is she talking about?
wait.
Okay, now are you done? Clear?
Yes.
Right?